For more rail transportation news and updates, here's PNR with its future projects. The Philippine National Railways has a number of projects lined up for the future. According to the agency, the commuting public will soon witness an improved transportation system with regard to the PNR, as there are several offers coming from Japan and China to undertake the agency's future projects.
We have, for example, approved by NEDA now the North-South Trail of the Philippine National Railway, which is from Tutuban all the way to Malolos in the north, to Clark, then up to Ilocos. Then in the south, we have the line from this place, Tutuban, down to Calamba, commuter, and Tutuban, all the way to Legazpi, and extending to Matnog.
The PNR reports that capping the lineup is the PNR North Phase 1 project, which is designed to service the commuting public from Tutuban to Malolos. It is a 35-kilometer double-track elevated railway with 10 stations in between with 120 kilometers per hour travel time.
This was already committed to the Japanese ODA funds, Overseas Development Program of the government, and they have already allocated the money for this. There is already an agreement, and what is needed now is the detailed engineering design. Once that's completed, we can start maybe the first quarter of 2018, and this will be completed before the end of the term of the President.
Aside from the projects that are currently being completed, the PNR says that they are also looking on putting up a railway in the Mindanao area.
Right now, transportation there is also in very bad shape. So we need a railway. There are several alignments that are being studied now, which will be submitted to the economic cluster and to the NEDA, ICC NEDA for approval. We have the line from Surigao to Cagayan de Oro, the way to Davao to General Santos, which is one alignment. We also have the east-west line, Surigao to Cagayan de Oro to Zamboanga.
The PNR reports that the construction of the proposed projects will start within the term of President Rodrigo Duterte, with the completion timeline still being studied, as the projects require careful pre-construction process. Indeed, with these projects in the pipeline, we can expect a better transportation system, not only in the Manila area, but also everywhere across the country.